Hey there, art enthusiasts and curious minds. Today we're diving into a fascinating phenomenon that's taking the world by storm, the hashtag 1 Week 100 People Challenge. This global initiative, co-founded by Liz Steele and Mark Taro Holmes, is a testament to the power of creativity and human connection. Imagine a sunny cafe in Sydney where Liz Steele, armed with her water-soluble pencils, captures the essence of people around her. On the other side of the world, Mark Taro Holmes ventures out in Montreal, sketchbook in hand, like a bear awakening from hibernation. Together, they've created a movement that's inspiring artists and non-artists alike. The challenge is simple yet ambitious. Sketch 100 people in just 1 week. But it's not about perfection. It's about the process and the magic that unfolds. Personally, I find it fascinating how this challenge has evolved from a personal experiment to a global phenomenon. It's a beautiful example of how creativity can bring people together and create a sense of community. For Liz and Mark, it started as a way to stay connected and keep drawing. But the impact has been profound. Liz, an architect turned art educator, credits sketching with changing her life and career. It's a powerful reminder that sometimes, the simplest of actions can lead to incredible transformations. Quincy Nadell, another participant, describes the challenge as exposure therapy for her perfectionism. She finds solace in sketching, a way to disconnect from the digital world and reconnect with the real one. It's a beautiful way to slow down, observe, and appreciate the beauty in everyday interactions. One of the most intriguing aspects of this challenge is how it forces us to really look and engage with our surroundings. Drawing, as Mark puts it, is an active and creative process, a contrast to passively consuming media. It's a way to create a tactile relationship with our environment, to hear the sounds, and to encode those experiences onto our pages. Despite the ambitious goal, the challenge is designed to be accessible. It's not about the tools or the perfection of the sketches. It's about the act of trying and the joy of creating. As Liz says, it's about practice, not perfection. And once you get into the flow, it can be addictive. So, what does this challenge really suggest? Well, it highlights the power of creativity to enhance our lives, to increase our empathy, and to connect us with the world around us. It's a beautiful reminder to put down our phones and look up, to see the ordinary with fresh eyes and a sense of gratitude. In a world that often feels rushed and disconnected, the hashtag 1 Week 100 People Challenge offers a refreshing perspective. It's a call to action to embrace our creativity, to slow down, and to truly see and appreciate the beauty in the people and places around us. So, are you ready to pick up a sketchbook and join this global movement? It might just change your perspective, and who knows, it might even change your life.